This video will cover how to set up an employee pay rate and process payroll. First, let's walk through how to set up a pay rate. When creating a new employee profile, you can specify whether the employee is paid hourly or on a salary basis. For an existing employee, first, you'll hop into Settings by clicking on the 9 dots at the top menu and then selecting Store Settings and Employees. Click the Action button next to an employee's name and select Edit. Scroll down to find the Payroll section. In the Working Calendar section, you can input each employee's planned working hours, ensuring an accurate payroll calculation. The system automatically sets the number of days and hours based on the days and hours. You can define their pay rate as hourly or salaried. You can set a pay schedule. Choose from daily, weekly, or monthly payment cycles. Your staff should use the Clock In, Clock Out module to track their hours. If an employee forgets to clock in or out, you can manually enter the missing data to ensure accurate payroll processing. Click the link in the description below for more information on how to use the Clock In, Clock Out feature. Now, let's set up an expense code for payroll. Go to Store Settings, Expense, and then Expense Codes. You can either mark a current expense as allowed for payroll or add a new one by clicking Create Expense Code. Add the code name Payroll and allow it for payroll. You can select the payment method to pay the payroll and click Save. At any point, you can view employee payroll by following Reports and then Employee Payroll. You can apply filters to view the report for specific employees or periods. Based on your payroll process, you can generate reports calculating the employee's total hours worked, commission earned, and final salary. To do this, go to Reports and select the Payroll Payments report. Here, you can filter according to your need, based on store, employee, paid or unpaid status, and pay schedule, such as daily or weekly. You can also specify the specific month filter. Please note that if you have assigned a commission to the employee, the system also adds commissions to accumulate the net pay. Click the link in the description below to learn how to set up and record the employee commissions in RepairDesk. When it's time to pay your employees, from the payroll report, select the record you wish to pay. Click Pay Now. This will take you to the expense window where you can choose the appropriate expense code, payroll, and process the payment. Once the payment is completed, the payroll report will update the employee status to paid. And that's everything you need to know about managing employee payroll in RepairDesk. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching and have a great day!